has unveiled its highly anticipated 2024 Year in Search for Nigeria, offering a unique insight into the top questions, personalities, and topics that dominated Nigeria's curiosity this year. According to a statement by Mr. Taiwo Kola Ogunlade, the Communications and Public Affairs Manager for Google West Africa, the report captures the most popular searches, notable figures, and cultural trends that shaped the year. The news agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports that Google's Year in Search is an annual analysis that reviews the top trending lists and also spotlights what the world searches to see, learn, and do. The trending personality search in 2024 was led by Bobrisky, followed by Beta Edu. The global search was Donald Trump, while search on death include Junior Pope, Abat Wigwe, among other searches. He said from cultural milestones to pressing concerns, this insight reflects how search continues to be a valuable tool for users to navigate and better understand their world. In the world of music, I Don't Care by Boy Spice was the top trending song, followed by Rema's Ozeba and Ira Star's Commas. Additionally, Nigerians search for lyrics of popular songs like Chandamo's Omema and Shallipopi's Ogechi. Mr. Kola Ogunlade highlighted the Google's Year in Search provides a window into the minds of Nigerians. He noted that the searches showcased Nigerians' entertainment preferences, pressing concerns of 2024, and societal trends. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates on stories shaping Nigeria and beyond.